Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Tilda. First, let's dive into Tilda's intuitive block-based editor, which makes website creation incredibly straightforward. You can start by selecting from over 500 professionally designed templates, giving you a fantastic head start. To begin your journey, simply register for a free account, granting you access to all the essential tools and features needed to build your first impressive website. It's a simple and effective way to get online quickly. Now, let's get creative with Tilda's design tools. You can easily drag and drop from over 250 pre-made content blocks directly onto your page. Each block is fully customizable, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and images to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. For those seeking complete creative freedom, Tilda offers the powerful Zero block, enabling pixel-perfect design control. This feature lets you craft unique layouts and elements, ensuring your website stands out with a truly bespoke look and feel. Once your design is taking shape, it's time to populate your site with engaging content. You can effortlessly add text, high-quality images, compelling videos, and interactive forms to capture your visitors' attention. Tilda also allows seamless integration with over 15 popular third-party services, such as MailChimp for email marketing. Furthermore, if you're looking to sell products, setting up an online store with various payment gateways is a quick process, often taking just a few minutes to configure and launch. Finally, with your website complete, it's time to share it with the world. You can connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional and memorable address. Tilda provides built-in tools to help you optimize your pages for search engines, improving your visibility online. Once everything looks perfect, publishing your website is as simple as a single click. Your beautiful, functional site will then be live and accessible to everyone, ready to make an impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.